Hey, welcome back to another video, boys and girls. The other day I received a comment with someone asking me to do a Uni Knot tutorial, and after a little snooping through my knot playlist, I noticed that there isn't a Uni Knot tutorial. Now I know I've done one in the past, but I have over 700 videos. Trying to find that would be like finding a needle in a haystack. So essentially what we're gonna do is show you how to tie the Uni Knot today, and that's how to conjoin braid to monofilament or fluorocarbon leader, or just lines of different diameter. It's a super strong knot, one that I use every day when I'm on the boat, and it's very simple to tie. Let's take a closer look. The very first step, guys, is to overlap the lines or to lay them on top of each other just like this. Now the very next thing you want to do is make a loop with the braid, and you're going to be holding both the monofilament, the braid, and then your tag line from your loop that you just made. Now what you want to do is go ahead and wrap that tag in about 7 times through your loop. All right, once you get here, you want to hold the tag line with your index finger, and then you want to gently pull the tag line and the main line simultaneously. And what this is going to do is make a nice clean knot onto the monofilament. All right, so now what you do is you essentially just flip this over and do the very same thing, but this time you're going to use the monofilament or fluorocarbon line. All right, so go ahead and make your loop with your monofilament or your fluorocarbon, and I'm holding the braid as well. Now what you want to do is wrap this about 5 times with the monofilament or the fluorocarbon. The reason you're doing that is because it's a thicker diameter line. All right, now what I'm going to do is slowly cinch it down, and now you're probably going to want to use saliva for this. Let's cinch this down. All right, so as you can see, you have a knot on your braid and a knot on your monofilament. Now you slowly start to pull these together, and what happens is they unify essentially, hence the name, the Uni Knot. What's beautiful about this knot is you could trim everything, all your tags very, very closely, which allow this knot to really glide through your guides. Nice set of sharp cutters will help with this, using the Danko Premios today. So that's it, guys. Beautiful knot. Hey, that's all there is to the Uni Knot. It's a very effective and simple knot. Let me know what's your thoughts below. There's other variations like the Albert knot, some other things that you could tie that are probably just as good. But honestly, I find that this knot, once you tie it and you get really comfortable with it, you can be very efficient and fast. So if you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up, comment below, let me know your go-to knot, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'll see you on the water.